At Six River Systems, we're building a new way of doing warehouse automation and fulfillment. And this new way, it's powered by our collaborative robot, Chuck, and artificial intelligence and machine learning, which is primarily in the cloud. Our founders were previously at Kiva Systems, which became Amazon Robotics. So on our go-to-market team and on our engineering team, we've got experience building tens of thousands of robots and putting them into some of the largest warehouses in the world. Our mission here at Six River Systems is to make automation available to all the companies in the world, not just the largest companies. But there's a huge market and demand for robots to help with each picking in the warehouse. We've built different iterations of Chuck, where we now have a Chuck Plus. So Chuck Plus is used in warehouses that are doing store replenishment, because oftentimes those totes, the containers for store replenishment, they're larger than a container that you might use to fulfill an e-commerce order. Just last week as well, we introduced a new product called Mobile Sort. So Mobile Sort can be used as part of the Six River Systems solution so that an operator can batch pick into a chuck, then that chuck will go to a sorting station where that batch will be singulated down into individual orders. And so that allows us to provide our solution to larger warehouses, to warehouses doing hundreds of thousands of units a day. Associates in these jobs, they're walking a lot, they're lifting a lot, they're pushing heavy loads. But now with Chuck, we can reduce the walking, we can keep their hands free, and we're introducing gamification into the job so that work actually becomes a bit more fun. Boston, hands down, is the best city in the world to start and run a robotics company. From the talent that we have in the schools, from the talent that we have from the established companies around our region, and then also our history. History with earlier robotics companies like iRobot and Kiva Systems, and now all the great Boston companies that are starting out in the Seaport area, doing work with Mass TLC, and with the great investors as well that we have in Boston on the East Coast, and also West Coast investors coming into Boston looking to find that next greatest company. We have a core value at our company. It's a place where everybody knows your name. So kind of leveraging off of that Cheers team and the Boston Association, what we promise to everybody, that you'll have this opportunity to come in and do the greatest work in your life, have a meaningful impact on what we're building, and also have a meaningful impact on the lives of associates in warehouses all over the country. We're hiring across the board at Six River Systems on the go-to-market team, on our engineering team, hardware developers, software developers, on our operations team where we're looking for deployment engineers. So these are people to go out on site and help get Chuck set up in the new customers' warehouses that we have. So if you're considering the next move in your career or the start of your career, go check out all the great robotic companies in Boston and go on robots.jobs to learn more about those opportunities.